Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a glam DIY for your home. So we're going to start with this wooden box that we have here, and we're going to use some silver acrylic paint. So we're just going to give the box 2 coats of this paint going all over. 1 coat, let it dry, another coat, and then let it sit down and dry. And if you're new here, hope you press that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you. Okay, so now while the box is drying, we have to take our vase here, and we'll be using some bling wrap that we have from Dazzled. And we're just going to glue it going right around the bottom half of the vase. And I will be using some hot glue, and like I always tell you, you can use any adhesive you would like for your project. So we're just going to glue it going all the way around. And now that that's all done, we're going to use the same bling wrap that we cut into strips, single strips, and I'll be gluing them going right around the bottom part of the vase. And I'll be leaving 1 space in between each strip. As you can see, I'm leaving a space and then putting the strip down. Again, leaving 1 space and then put the next strip down. And I'll be doing this going all the way around the bottom half of our vase. So here we are, all finished with the bottom half. Doesn't that look pretty? OMG, that looks so nice. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So now we're going to use some longer strips and do the same pattern going along the top half of the vase, leaving 1 space in between each bling wrap. See? We line it up. And placing the top strips in the same places as the bottom strip, which is 1 space in between each one. And you know, spring is on. Yes, it is. Wedding season will be in full bloom again, yes. Plus our spring decor. And with this item that I have here, I'm going to show you different ways that we can use it, with whether it's at a wedding theme or in your home for your spring decor. Yeah, your glam spring decor. So we're going to continue going right around with the strips. And here is our vase all done. We went right around and glue the strips in. I think this looks super cute. So now we are going to add a bling gem from Dazzled. Yes, they're so nice. And you just take the tabs off. They come off very easy. And we are going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue them down to our vase. Just find the spot where you want to place it, and then just place it, hold it down for a minute because the glue is hot. When you use a thicker amount of glue, it takes a minute to dry, so just hold it in place until it's secure. And there we go. Okay, now we have our box here all dry, and we're gonna just add some bling to our box. And we have the bling wrap here from Dazzled. And again, I'm using some hot glue. And remember, like I say, use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your project. It's not a problem. I'm just going to glue the strip going straight across the top, right down to the other side. And now that we have our center bling in, we have these gems here and the strips, cut in strips. Now I was going to use the gems, but I changed my mind. I'm just going to use the strips going down on both sides of our box. Yeah, it's our riser for our vase. Yes. So we're blinging it out so it looks as nice as the vase does. So again, the strips going all the way to the other side. And here's our box all blinged out. Doesn't that look nice? And again, we have our gem from Totally Dazzled. Now we're just going to place the glue and glue it onto the front of our box, which is our riser. Now here's the vase. I just had to showcase the vase all by itself. Doesn't it look nice? OMG! It looks super glam and nice, just like this. I love how it looks with the bling wrap solid in the center, lines to the bottom, lines to the top. And of course our Totally Dazzled gem to add that extra touch of elegance. Yes. I think it looks very nice. All on its own, yes. This is a lovely piece of decor for your home. A lovely accent piece. Oh, I love accent pieces. I do. I love just placing beautiful pieces right throughout my home, and that's the vibe this is giving me. I love it just like this. There's no way that I can do this. And of course we have it with our riser. Yes. Our blinged out box. The two of them look absolutely lovely together. This can also be used as a centerpiece too. Yes, it can. If you don't want to add flowers to your centerpiece, just like this is absolutely beautiful. And also as an accent piece throughout your home. I love items that are versatile. You can use them for more than one thing. Yes. So even when you're finished using it for something else, hey, you can use it for something different and place it in a different area. I love it. I think it looks absolutely elegant and nice. And here we go with the flowers inside. OMG. Another beautiful look. Spring is coming. Wedding season, like I told you, will be in full bloom soon. And this is a lovely wedding centerpiece. Yes, it is. Elegant and nice. It will look lovely. Lovely on your wedding tables. I love the box. The box complements the vase. Yes, they both match. They just tie into each other. It looks absolutely beautiful. And our beautiful gems from Totally Dazzled. You know I love my gems. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. And here's another way that you can have it on your table with just the flowers and the vase. It's another elegant and nice look. Yes, they look lovely on your wedding tables also. Just like this. If you don't want the riser, you can do it just like this. It absolutely looks beautiful. And whether you have it like this with the flowers in it, or if you choose to have it as an accent piece with just the vase all by itself, which this is my favorite, or if you choose to have it with the accent box and the vase, another beautiful look, or as our lovely complete set for your wedding centerpiece. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think, which style you like. How would you rock this spring home wedding decor item? Yes, I think it's absolutely beautiful, like I told you before. But leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And thank you for coming on and seeing my spring wedding decor for 2020. Yes. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. So vibey, she's so vibe, she's so